All right, everybody. I'm going to be showing you a little bit of fusion welding on a very simple little project. This bracket I just put together, and the only reason I videotaped it was to show you, if you're not familiar with fusion welding, what it is. Fusion welding is basically just using the parent metal of the two parts you want to join, and then I fuse them together. The reason I'm doing this, well, two reasons. My wife wanted her lay back in the shower, and that's what this is for. But the other reason is on my T-bucket, I'll be building the body out of steel, and my plan is to have it riveted together and use body adhesive, but I will be tacking the panels together, or let me put it this way, fusion welding the panels together. I want to put minimal heat in them and just hold them together until I get all the rivets set. So that's the purpose of this video. Okay, the tiny TIG fusion tack. Okay, in spite of me, that worked. Now let's try the other side. Again, it's just a simple fusion tack. No TIG wire, no nothing like that, no welding wire, just the parent metal. This is a spring steel, by the way. A bit more. I think we got a good joint. Those little boogers I'll take off, but boogers don't bother me. Let's do this side. Simple fusion. Usually for me, it's more like confusion, but I got lucky this time. Okay, go clean that off. Now, I'm going to use my awesome Myco Night vise and a little heat. Nice and red. Just about like that, roughly 45 degrees this way. Okay, that looks good. Now I got to do a little tack weld on the other side. I'll be right back. Okay, I apologize a few minutes ago. Didn't realize I had the TV in the background. But back to my Myco Night vise and heat. Give that 2 weeks. A little bit more than I did the first time. And pray to God I'm not messing up the temper of the spring steel and screwing that all up. We'll see what happens when I install it. Did I tell you what the application is? It's a light hanging bracket for a canister light in the shower. Okay, make sure it's in the lens. Can't hardly see what I'm doing here. Not because my eyes don't work, more about my brain. This is the one that bothers me a little bit, right on the weld. Let's see if it goes cracko. Okay, let that cool off. I should be good to go. Thanks for watching.